tall are you?
Get that up there, though. You gotta make this beautiful. How tall am I? Look at that. I'm standing right next to you, and I'm in my flats.
I'm 6 feet.
No, you're not. No, you're not.
No,
I'm 6'3" out of heels.
No,
No way.
you're not 6 feet.
I don't know. I'm 6'4", maybe.
I love it. I love it.
Here's my show. Tonight at 7:30. Doors were at 7.
Awesome. Thank you.
Is the hair real?
What's that?
Is it heavy, the hair?
No, not too bad. You can feel it.
Oh my god, I would love it.
Well, she's nice. She gets
I
going.
like your dress too.
This is sensible. This little walk around.
This is the sweatshirt.
So this memorial stone is erected by the Commonwealth of Massachusetts to commemorate the compact or Constitution of Government signed by the Pilgrims on board the Mayflower in Providence Town Harbor, November 11, 1620. And on the back of this are the names of all the people that signed it. Way too many names to go over.
Yeah, but all the men's names.
All the men's.
It wasn't just men that came over.
Maybe there were no women.
There were women. I just didn't think they were.
That you heard straight from Southside Susie. The women just weren't important enough, she said.
Maybe you're saying that. Not me.
Okay. Yeah, let's look at this. This is so beautiful. Wow. Looks like they keep it nice and clean. And they're signing it. Beautiful. Beautiful little park in Providence Town. And not far from Main Street, right there. And the architect around here is amazing. Look at that. Gorgeous. I don't think I've ever seen anybody as tall as you. Actually, that redhead girl was pretty tall.
Okay, yeah, I mean, there's a few tall, suspiciously large-looking ladies around here, you know,
Yeah.
myself included, but...
Very nice. Where do you play tonight somewhere?
Yeah, at the Pilgrim House, every day.
Oh,
except
every day.
Saturday.
This is you.
That's me, baby.
And what time?
The same bitch with pigtails. 9 p.m.
9 p.m. Okay. 9 p.m.
Yep, he's gonna drag you to it.
Bye.
Drag, pun intended. Yes.
Thank you.
Bye, have fun.
Say goodbye.
Bye.